Alright guys, so for today's video, as you can see, my controller is have a error E7. So this is error E7, so we're going to fix now the error 7 from the controller. So the problem of this is the wiring of the turtle, the LCD motor, and then the motor, cable motor. So we only have to do is to take out, and then let's see if there have a wiring failed or not connected, and then we put it again. So let's see if the error is remove it. So right guys, so we're going to take out all the wiring. So first is the LCD motor. So let's take it out, then let's check is there have a problem. Oh, I see the problem maybe. And then let's take out the motor. And let's take out again, and then we will put it now again, and then another one, and then we will put it again, and let's put it back again. And then the last one. So let's put it back. So now we're going to put it back, the LCD controller. So alright, so we already put it back all. So let's see if there have a so let's see if the error is take out. So we going to try it again. No. Alright, you can see there have no error now, so we are already okay now. So let's try it, the motor. Alright, so this is it guys. So thank you for watching of this kind of video. So please like and subscribe of my YouTube channel. So this is it guys. Thank you and sign out.